How much is tent and camping essentials at Decathlon Pasig?
Family of 15 is 3 bedroom. 3 bedroom tent.
Oh, may upuan siya sa loob. May lutuan. Yung mga pang tent talaga to. Yung mga magka-camping dyan. Yung mga camping essentials. May table, foldable table na pwedeng gamitin. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng tent na to. 25990. Gano'n siya kalaki? Hindi ko alam. Basta yan siya. Malaki siya ha. Good for 3 person, right? 4.
More than
It depends on how big is the person. If it's like,
that. Well, if you're laying down, that's 4.
yeah, 4. Yeah, 4
Very
person.
tall.
This one is, I have like this. I don't have it no more because I throw it away.
6 people in
And then it depends on the size though. It's family. Good for family. If you have
It's
3
good for
kids
family.
and mom and dad,
Yeah,
yeah.
you can fit in there.
Yeah, and this one is for solo, for couple. 1990. Ayun, may nakalagay nga. Ano nakalagay dyan?
That's
Times
for the whole
2.
family.
How many person? Pero nakalagay kung capacity is. Ayan yung information. Ito yung from family talaga. Buong pamilya na. Guys, 32,000. Oh my gosh. Mga panglutoan, no?
This is what you need for a family of 15.
32,590. Oh my gosh. Is that an...
Yeah.
Uy, may bedroom. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. This is nice. Oh my gosh.
This is how you camp right here.
Yes.
32,000.
Oh
You got a
wow.
3 bedroom house, man.
Might as well just camp no more and no need to rent, guys. O mayroon pang stock room. The stock room is not good or where you put your stuff. This is nice. 3 bedroom. And you have the table and everything. That's not included, of course. That's separate, but this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, yung mga ano pala, bed pala niya, 2,590, 3,990. So maybe you spend 100K, you have a set already.
Hey, look. They got it right there. Selling this right here.
Where? Ah,
Where
okay.
can I get a bed? Oh, get it right here.
Yeah, I know.
790.
1,790 for that size.
That's actually not bad. This is where it's 60.
What is this? Look at this at the back.
That's for that.
Look at that. Oh, there's a window. Oh, meron din silang duyan if you wanna buy duyan. Oh my gosh. It's like the whole house. I miss camping now. 1,990. 1,990.
Oh, they sound the stand.
No, that's with... Oh, that's with the ano only. I don't know, the stand is included. I don't think the stand
Follow
is
for
included.
more window shopping videos or look for
Just
my
for
shopping
the-
playlist.
this one.
Thanks for watching.
Just for this one.